Hi, welcome back my fourth video of C program. I am Anshu Kumar and you are watching Infinite India Online College. Today I am going to discuss about the environment setup of C program. So from here at first you are going to set up the local environment of C program. If you want to set up your environment of C programming language, you need to have the two software tools. First one is text editor and the second one is C compiler. So first one is C text editor. So the text editor will be used to type your program. For example, few editors include Windows, Notepad, OS Edit Command, Brief, Epsilon, MX and VIM or VI. The name and version of text editor can vary on different operating systems. For example, Notepad will be used on Windows and VIM or VI can be used on Windows as well as on Linux operating system or Unix. The files you create with your editors are called the source file and they contains the program source code. The source file for C programs are typically named with the extension C. Before starting your programming, make sure you have one text editor in place and you have enough experience to write a computer program. Save it in file, compile it and finally execute it. The C compiler. Second one, the C compiler. The source code written in source file is the human readable source for your program. It need to be compiled into machine language so that your CPU and actually execute the program as per the instructions given. The compiler compiles the source code into final executable programs. The most frequently used and free available compiler is the GNU C++ compiler. Otherwise, you can have compilers either from HP or Solaris. If you are respective operating system, the following section explains how to install GNU/C++ compilers on various operating systems. We keep mentioning C++ or C together because GNU GCC compiler works for both C and C++ programming language. So here next one is installation of Unix or Linux. If you are using Unix or Linux, then check whether GCC is installed on your system by entering the given command. So here I am going to show you on Notepad that command. So here you can write this one on your command. So next one is, if you have GNU compilers installed on your machine, then it print a message as given below. So there this will give these types of message. Okay, if GCC is not installed, then you will have to install it by yourself using the detailed instruction available on GCC and GNU operating system. So in my description I will give how where to install that all programming tools. So installation on Mac operating system. If you use Mac operating systems of X and earliest with Optane GCC is to download the Xcode development environment from Apple website and follow the simple installation instructions. Once you have Xcode set up, you will be able to use GNU compilers for C or C++. Xcode is currently available as developer apple.com. I will give all the scripts, all that things where to install if you have a Mac Mac operating systems. So I will give all that details where to install in my description. So installation on Windows. To install GCC on Windows, you need to install mingw. To install mingw, go to the mingw homepage and all that things where to install if you have a installation on Windows. So here I am going to show you how to install this all software and from where to install these all software. So here I am going to show you where to install. So here go to the mingw page. So here that sourceforce.net and type this and go to download that latest mingw get setup. So you can click on there. So it will take some time. I have already installed these all from here and go here, type there and run it. So it will take some times. So okay, I'm going to open this all. So here asking about install. So I'm going to click on install. Continue. So see this is the location. You can type after installation you can type on environment setup. So here continue. It will take some time. So I'm waiting to install. Yeah, it's going to complete. It will take some times and they are giving the instruction. They are giving all instruction where it is going to be installed. It will take some time and after completion of these all things, okay, it will take some time. Okay, I'm waiting. So continue. After installation you can see from there 100% going to be complete. So you can go and continue. So continue, it will take. So from there you can click on mark for so you can go there, type this all. Yeah, it will take some time. One by one you can go and mark. Okay, you will go and mark these all things. Okay, after completion all that things, yeah, once you check it is going to be completed or not. Yeah, it's completed. Yeah, it's complete. Yeah, now it is going to be complete, and here it's giving the instruction which thing is going to be installed. So here as marks close dialogues automatically when activities is complete. So please be a patient. It will take some time. After completion this, you can go for properties, advanced system settings. So you here environment setup, from there, from here path is there. So go and edit here, new path. Go Control V and press OK, and now here OK, from there OK, and open your command prompt. So command prompt, you can go and check the version. Yeah, here it has shown the version of G++. Okay, so here I have given these all instruction that perfectly installed on your computer, and from there you can go and search and type and execute your programs from there. Okay, so I'll meet in next video. Thank you for watching. So I'm going to request you, please like, share, comment on this video, and subscribe also. Thank you for watching Infinite India Online College. Thank you.